Yes.
So are you ready to become Muslim?
I'm ready to become. I'm ready to become Muslim.
Thank you.
So,
so this is you're gonna say this word
Yes.
after me, which is
Okay.
Dr. Rania said, there is no God except one.
There is no God except one.
Which is Allah, and Muhammad is the final messenger.
Muhammad is the
So we're
final
gonna say
messenger.
it in Arabic.
Okay.
Okay, come close to me.
Okay.
You can hear me well.
Okay.
So everyone is ready, inshallah. Okay. What's your name again?
Brian.
Brian. So we can call you Brahim, mashallah. Brian. Brian.
What is my name in Arabic?
Brian, I don't know, but there is very close one. Brahim, which is the Prophet Abraham.
Okay.
Abraham.
Okay.
Prophet Abraham.
Awesome.
He's our
Awesome.
father.
Yeah.
Okay, Bismillah. Okay, give me your right hand. Look
Okay.
at me. So you ready to say
Yeah,
the word?
I am ready.
To become a Muslim.
Yes.
After saying this word, you're 100% inshallah Muslim.
I shall die Muslim.
Bismillah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah.
Allah
Wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulu
Rasulu
Allah.
Allah.
Perfect. Let's do it 2 more times.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa Allah.
illallah
Illa
illa
Allah.
Allah
Wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan Muhammadan
Rasulu
Rasulu
Allah.
Allah.
Now all of us inshallah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah.
Allah
Wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulu
Rasulu
Allah.
Allah.
MashaAllah. Explain to me what you just said.
There is no other God but God, which is one.
Uh-huh.
So
And
Allah is God.
uh-huh. And finish. What's
And
the Prophet Muhammad.
and the Prophet Muhammad is the last messenger of
of God.
of God.
Of Allah. That's
Of Allah.
that's what you said, and that's what you believe in your heart.
Yes.
اللهم اجعل قلبه آمنا مطمئنا يا رب يا رب يا رب يا رب يا رب يا رب أعينه ولا تعين الشيطان عليه يا رب وفقه لطاعتك ومحبتك وما تحبه وترضى يا رب يا رب اهدنا واهده للطريق المستقيم يا رب اهدنا واهده للطريق المستقيم يا رب نور قلبه يا رب نور قلبه بالعلم والإيمان يا رب انزل عليه السكينة والطمأنينة يا رب اشفيه شفاء عاجلا يا رب يا رب يا رب أنت ربه ووليه أعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك يا رب العالمين يا رب الآن الليلة نور قلبه يا رب الآن اشفيه يا رب ثبته يا رب ثبته بالقول الثابت في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة يا رب أنت خلقته وأنت أعلم به منه يا رب اكرمه يا الله اكرمه الليلة يا رب اكرمه الليلة ونوره يا رب بأفضل سورة الفاتحة بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين Welcome to Islam.
Thank you.
Welcome to Islam. Islam
Okay.
is beautiful.
Yes.
I swear it's beautiful.
Mhm.
We were here for you.
Okay.
We are definitely
Yeah.
we're gonna have in Friday here we're gonna have
Yeah.
500 people. They
Okay.
all if they heard your story they will be all crying and laughing.
Okay.
So please, we want you to help us also.
Okay.
So just come to the masjid.
Yes.
I'm not saying learn everything in one day. You look perfect, you look clean, you look good.
Mhm.
This is just come and we make dua for you, we make prayer for you, we
Okay.
help you.
My birthday is on.
Good. We have a lot of beautiful youth in here. You will have a lot of friends.
Okay.
We're the people who go out and play basketball and play football and have dinner, go to
Gotcha.
the restaurant.
Gotcha.
The only thing we don't do haram thing. That
Okay.
anything God forbidden. We don't drink wine.
Yes.
We
Okay.
don't eat pork.
Okay.
We don't
No
do,
pork.
Yeah, we don't eat
Okay,
any
no
pork.
pork.
We stop right away eating pork.
Okay.
We don't drink wine.
Okay.
Don't smoke.
No smoking.
Okay?
Okay.
Be nice to your family. Be nice to the humanity. That's Islam. That's good Islam. So
Okay.
you look perfect. You don't have to change anything. Your hair is perfect. Your clothes is perfect. MashaAllah. So you will see many, many good things.
Okay.
And trust God.
God.
Know that God is, you're connected to the God 24 hours.
Okay.
God doesn't sleep. Nothing can hide from God. You cannot go inside the room and say, He's not going to see me. He will see you.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll see you anywhere. He sees us anywhere. But He's great.
Okay.
He's great God. And you will have good life in here. And there is better life after you die.
Okay.
You believe you're going to die, right?
Yes, I'm going to die. Yes,
sure?
I'm
is
sure.
there anybody that didn't die?
No.
No, we're all going to die.
Yes, we are all going to die.
Better life is after death.
Yes.
Jannah is paradise. Paradise.
Paradise.
Paradise. Yeah.
Yes.
And we don't say that just because we have an answer from the Holy Quran. 100%. It's like we never saw it, but like if like I'm seeing it, it's there 100%.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys, I don't eat dairy. Well, I was eating meat. I don't eat dairy though. Do you guys eat dairy?
We do eat dairy.
Okay, cool.
What's a dairy?
Okay.
Milk and eggs. And
if you don't want to eat it, that's fine, but it's not forbidden.
Okay, gotcha.
If you have some
allergies or something.
Yeah, but there is nothing wrong with that. That's a good thing. That's something we eat, alhamdulillah.
Gotcha.
Okay. So any other question you have?
No, I don't. I don't have any questions.
So for now on out, for you, any questions, bring it here.
Okay.